SENET offers several convenient ways to start a session, both for registered and unregistered clients. A player can create an account independently, without administrator assistance. To do this, on the login screen, click the Not Registered button, enter your email, verify it, and complete the required profile fields. After registration, online balance top-up becomes available. The player enters the amount, scans the QR code, and pays with a bank card. Once the balance is funded, the player can play at an hourly rate or purchase a membership plan. To refill the balance independently, click Top Up. Then in the Online tab, enter the amount, scan the QR code, and pay via Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a bank card. An unregistered user can start a session using the Scan and Pay feature. Simply select the time, scan the QR code, and pay by card. An administrator can manually create a player account, either on the Gaming Center map or in the Users section. You can add funds to your balance at the cash desk using the login, after which the session can be launched from the Gaming Center map in Shell, and a pass can be sold to the client immediately once the balance is added. A player can also start a session independently using the credentials provided by the administrator. After logging in, the password can be changed in the user profile. For unregistered clients, starting a session by receipt is available. Right-click on an available PC, select Authorize by Receipt, create a new receipt, and enter the amount. The session starts automatically after selecting the payment method and confirming the payment. SENET also allows sessions to be started with post-payment. You can limit the duration or launch an unlimited session and extend it as needed. After completion, do not forget to process the payment in the SENET Virtual Cash Desk. Need to start multiple gaming sessions at once? Select several PCs on the Gaming Center map and launch sessions by receipt or with post-payment in just a few clicks. If necessary, you can enable mandatory Gaming Center registration. In this case, the player will not be able to start a session without creating an account. SENET provides maximum flexibility in session management, convenience for players, and full control for the Gaming Center.